Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about a tool called Windows 11 Fixer that will let you tweak your Windows settings and do some custom things as well. So it's a free download from the GitHub website. So of course, be careful with anything you download off the internet and use at your own risk, but usually the stuff from the GitHub site's okay. So once you download it, you'll notice there's two versions. There was a light version and a portable version. I did the light version and it didn't seem to work. I don't remember exactly what the problem was, but I couldn't get it to work. So I tried the portable version here, and that seems to work. Just you'll notice this shortcut file. This is not the executable. You notice it's a shortcut, and you click it. It says I can't find it. So you just need to go into the data folder and run the executable from here, or make your own shortcut from that. Okay, so once you run it, you'll notice there's categories: fix Windows, Windows settings, uninstall bloat, install software. So not everything is going to work because Microsoft is always changing things. Like let's say we want to change the start menu from the center to the left. That'll work, but if you try and change the taskbar size, that doesn't work. Maybe because Microsoft did something to negate whatever this does to change it. Registry entry changes, that kind of thing. Then you have your file and folder options. If you want to change those. Right-click menus. So let's see. So we'll do that. We'll do try the Windows 10 style right-click. Other stuff in here. If you want to have a restart Windows Explorer shortcut, let's try that. Okay. And then once you pick your settings, just click on Fix Windows. And some of the changes will have to be, you have to do a reboot for it to take effect. So we'll click Restart Later. For now, you'll see the taskbar or start menu stuff already moved to the left here. So Windows settings, you could disable notifications. Another thing, storage sense, if you want to turn it off. Turn it off and on clipboard history. Use the dark theme for Windows and applications. Transparency effects. Start menus, gaming options. General options. Speech recognition, inking and typing, diagnostic and feedback, speech permissions. App permissions, if you want to change which apps are allowed permissions to your computer and devices. Uninstall bloat here. So they have two categories, stuff that's hard to uninstall and stuff that's easy to uninstall. So let's say we want to get rid of Xbox. Let's do a search for Xbox here. Okay, so we can see we have Xbox there. So let's uninstall Xbox. See what happens here. Okay, so now if we do a search for it, so now we just have this enable Xbox game bar. We don't have that Xbox app anymore. Then we have to uninstall software and install software. So if there's some other tools like Start All Back, Start 11, these are other similar tools that you could install right from here. Some are free, some are not, but you could actually try them from here. And also stuff like Malwarebytes and CCleaner if you want to install it from here. Audio video stuff, iTunes, Audacity. And if you want to install a new browser, Office 365, obviously it's going to be a trial unless you have a key for it. Other free Office versions, Adobe Acrobat Reader, gaming stuff, streaming sites, messaging, coding, editing, 7-zip, and so on. Okay, so now let's go back here. So we did the taskbar to the left and the Windows 10 style menu. You'll notice it kind of reverts back to no change, even though we did the change. So we did the Windows 10, and then we did the right-click Task Manager option, I believe. So let's go ahead and restart, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we've restarted, so we're back in Windows. You can see our taskbar icon still stays to the left there. And if we right-click, we have a Restart Explorer shortcut on our context menu. We also have the Windows 10 right-click context menu instead of the Windows 11, so that worked. So let's go back here to the app. All right, so I'll put a link in the description for this. You could download it, and like I said, just be careful when using it, and maybe do a little backup first, and then just make sure you know what you're changing before you change stuff here, because you might not, you might uninstall like Cortana and not know how to get it back. So just keep that in mind. Maybe you want to research how to do that before you, make a specific change. And then if you want to revert back, you should be able to come back in here and change this, the Windows 11, or, no change for this, and just run the fixed Windows and reboot again. And then you should be good to go. All right. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.